Good morning, everyone. Student, today we will discuss multiplication of integer. So here I am telling you what is multiplication of integer. So student, first point is this: the product of two integers with the same sign is positive. Is positive. For example, 4 into 4. Okay, it will be 16. It will be 16. Okay, suppose the sign is here -4, -4. So माइनस 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 क्या होता है? माइनस माइनस प्लस होता है. एंड नाउ सेकेंड पॉइंट, द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ two integers with opposite sign is negative. बेटा सपोज फर्स्ट आपका है प्लस, उस 2 मल्टीप्लाई 2 मल्टीप्लाई -2. फर्स्ट डिजिट इज पॉजिटिव, सेकेंड डिजिट इज नेगेटिव. ओके, so 2 multiply by 2, it will be 2 to the 4. बट किसका 4 होगा बेटा? माइनस का, बिकॉज वन डिजिट इज पॉजिटिव, वन इज नेगेटिव. तो प्लस माइनस क्या होता है? प्लस माइनस क्या होता है बेटा? माइनस होता है. एंड नाउ नेक्स्ट स्टेप, ये माइनस मल्टीप्लाई बाय माइनस क्या होता है? प्लस होता है बेटा. क्या होता है? माइनस माइनस प्लस होता है. ओके, एंड नाउ प्लस मल्टीप्लाई प्लस, प्लस इंटू प्लस क्या होता है बेटा? प्लस होता है. क्या होता है बेटा? प्रोडक्ट, दोनों का प्रोडक्ट क्या है? पॉजिटिव है. सो वी कैन से बोथ प्रोडक्ट विल बी पॉजिटिव. ओके, राइट. नाउ नेक्स्ट स्टेप, सपोज माइनस मल्टीप्लाई प्लस, it will be minus. Okay, plus multiply minus, it will be minus, negative. So we can say both product is negative. Both product is negative. Is it clear, students? Students, any problem? And now next, students, we will discuss properties of multiplication of integer. Okay, properties of multiplication of integer. Here I will tell you first property, closure property. कौन सी property? Closure property. So you know what is closure property? So we can say that integers are close. Integers are close. Integers are close. Okay, under multiplication, the product of integers is an integer. Okay, so we can say that, for example, we can give the example, put -5 multiply by 2, it will be 5 to the 10. 5 to the 10 किसका 10 होगा? माइनस का 10 होगा. Okay, because first digit is negative. And now -6 multiply by -4. So it will be minus into minus plus. Okay, 6 into 4, 6 4s are 24. Is it clear, students? Any problem? Next is this. Next point is this commutative property. So students, you know what is commutative property. So multiplication of integers is commutative. Okay, multiplication of integer is commutative. Can say that if a and b are two integers, if a and b are two integers, then we will do here a multiply by b. A multiply by b equal b multiply by a. B multiply by a. Okay. For example is this minus 4 multiply 3. It will be 4 3 का 12 या 3 multiply by minus 4. दोनों का मीन एक ही है. दोनों का मीन एक ही है. 4 3 का 12 माइनस का 12. 3 multiply by minus 4 करेंगे. जब भी बेटा आपका माइनस का ही 12 होगा. ओके. एंड नाउ नेक्स्ट minus 3 multiply minus 6. Yeah, minus 6 multiply minus 3. Okay, 3 minus minus plus. Minus minus plus. So it will be 18. 6 3s are 18. Okay, students. And now, next point is this. Identity property. Identity property. So we can say first is the multiplicative. First is the multiplicative identity for integers. If a is an integer, then a multiplied by a 1, it will be a. Yeah, 1 multiplied by a equal to a. Okay. So look at the here. A multiplied by 1. Yeah, 1 multiplied by a equal to a. Okay. So we can give the example 4 multiplied by 1, it will be 4. Minus 6 multiplied by 1, it will be 4 into 1, 4. A into 1, A into 4. देखिए 4 multiplied by 1, it will be 4. Okay, या 1 multiplied by 4, it will be 4. दोनों का मीनिंग एक ही आ रहा है ना? आ रहा है आपको बेटा समझ में? And now same example is this. Students, any problem? Hello? Any? Okay. Okay, students. And okay. And now students, next point है associative property. Which property? Associative property. So you know associative property, multiplication is associative for integers. Multiplication is associative for integers. So we can say if a comma b and c are integers, then a multiply bracket b into c, या a multiply b multiply c. Okay. For example, minus 8 multiply by minus 2. Minus minus students, you know, minus minus plus होता है. Okay, product is positive and multiply by 5. So, and now it is here minus 8 multiply by minus 10. देखिए बेटा, ध्यान से देखिए. Look at the carefully. Minus 8 multiply by minus 10. Minus minus plus. 10 8 the, हाँ, 10 8 the 80. बताइए, any problem? 8 to the 16, 16 5 the 80. इसका मीनिंग भी बेटा कितना निकलेगा, कितना आएगा सॉल्व होके? 8 to the 16 माइनस माइनस प्लस 16 into 5, it will be 80. ओके, एंड नाउ इसको सॉल्व करने पर भी बेटा 80 हो रहा है. माइनस माइनस प्लस 8 to the 10 8 the 80. ओके, and now next point, distributive property. Which property? Distributive property. So students, we can say I am explaining distributive property. Multiplication distributes over addition and subtraction over addition and subtraction. So for all integers a, b and c will be here. So we will do multiply here, a multiply b plus c. Okay, yeah, equal to a multiply b plus a multiply c. Okay, this property is called distributive property. Which property? Distributive property. And now a multiply b minus c, bracket b minus c. So it will be here a multiply b minus a multiply c. Okay students, so we can say this property is called distributive property. For example is here minus 14 bracket multiply minus 8 plus 11. Okay, so minus 14 multiply minus 14 multiply 3, so it will be 14 3 the 42. किसका? माइनस का 42. किसका बेटा? माइनस का 42. ओके, एंड नाउ नेक्स्ट minus 14 multiply minus 8. You will write the sign of plus. Minus 14 multiply by 11. 14 8 are, you know very well, 112. Minus minus with a plus 112. Very good. And now 14 ones are 14. You will multiply by 14 into 11. 14 ones are 14, carry 1. 14 ones are 14 plus 115, 154. Okay, so 112 will be subtracted from 154. So it will be here minus 42. Okay, so this property is called distributive property. Okay students, any problem? Any query? Students, my voice is clear. Okay. Question number 1 is this: find the product. Find the product. So 11 multiply by 6. So you will do 11 6 the 66. 11 6 the 66. ओके, देखिए ये एक्सरसाइज बहुत ही ज़्यादा इजी है. ओनली एंड ओनली यू विल डू मल्टीप्लाई. ओके, so and now look at the question number 5th. Minus 16 multiply 0 multiply minus 10. माइनस माइनस होता है प्लस. 16 10 द 160 मल्टीप्लाई 0. 0 का मल्टीप्लाई किसी भी डिजिट के साथ करने पर आंसर आपका 0 आता है. क्या आता है? 0 आता है. प्लीज रिमेंबर वन थिंग. प्लीज रिमेंबर वन थिंग. if you will do multiply by 0 with any number, so your answer will come 0. Okay, look at the question number 7. Minus 20 multiply 4 multiply minus 8 multiply 2. Students, it will be 20 into 4. 24 the 80 minus the minus 80 minus 80 it, and now next minus 8 into 2 minus का 16. माइनस का बेटा 8 टू द 16. 16 8 का कितना होता है? 16 8 का बेटा कितना होता है? माइनस माइनस प्लस होगा ये. 16 8 का 128. and now you will write the zero here. It will be 1280. Okay, students, any problem? Look at the question number 2. Verify the following. Verify the following. How will you verify? So students, the question is here. The question is here. Minus देखिए first 19 multiply bracket 5 plus in bracket minus 2 equal to 19 multiply 5 plus 19 multiply by minus 2. Students, first of all we will solve the bracket. 5 plus minus होता है minus. Okay, 5 से 2 minus किया 3. So the number will be here 3. 19 into 3, 19 3 the 57. Students, first of all we find left hand side. This side will be called left hand side. कौन सी side? Left hand side. Students, you have find left hand side 57 and now right hand side is here 19 multiply by 5 plus 19 multiply by minus 2. Students, 19 into 5 95. कितना होता है? 19 5 का 95 and 19 to the 38 माइनस का 38. किसका बेटा? माइनस का 38. प्लस माइनस माइनस होता है. प्लस माइनस माइनस होता है. 95 minus 38, it will be 57. This side will be called right hand side. Students, you have find both sides. Left hand side will be 57 and right hand side will be also 57. Okay, so both sides will be equal. Left hand side will be equal right hand side. So we can say your answer is correct. If both sides are equal, so we can say your answer is correct. Okay, students, any problem? Students, any query in this question? So please look at the question number 3rd. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. Okay. 6 minus x equal to minus 24. 6 minus x equal to minus 24. Students, so we will do here minus 6x equal to minus 24. Minus से minus cancel. Okay, so it will be x equal to 24 upon 6. 24 divided by 6. 6 4 are 24. How much time? 4 times. So students, you find the value of x 4. Any problem? Beta, any problem? Look at the third part. Minus x multiply by minus 3 equal to 12. Students, minus minus होता है plus, so it will be x into 3 minus x multiply by minus 3, it will be plus 3x. Okay, minus into minus plus, product is positive, equal to 12. X equal to 12 upon 3. So 12 divided by 3, how much time? 3 4 are 12, 4 times. So students, you have also find the value of x 4. Okay. Students, after that, look at the question number 5th. Question number 4, we will not do because it will be true false. Okay. Look at the question number 5th. Please read the question number 5th. Ujjwal, Om Soni, read the question number 5th.